What's good, YouTube? ErnyVibes back again with another video.
My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people.
If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free. Subscribe. Leave a like at the end of the video. Links are in the description down below this video for any tools or utilities I'll be using in this video. And today we're doing something pretty exciting and creative. So follow along, and like I said, just follow along. Nothing really hard about it, and it's gonna be really fun. I'm a creator and developer, and I have worked on a lot of lenses. My favorite lenses so far are Brown Skin Girl, one of my very popular lenses, and it has over 360,000 of views and users using this lens on Snapchat. And I'm gonna show you how to create Brown Skin Girl. I've also worked on tons of other lenses like Dragon Mood. Almost forgot my lens right there. Dragon Mood. I've worked on Dragon Mood. I've worked on Sunflower Queen. It's also one of my favorite lenses. So if you've ever wanted to create your own Snapchat lens, then this is your lucky video, because we're doing plenty. Not a lot of plenty videos for today, but we're doing a lot of plenty things. So let's cut to the chase and let's do some creation, Alright, so what you're gonna need to do first is you're gonna need to visit Lens Studio website by Snapchat. Make sure you download Lens Studio. It's an application. So just go there, download Lens Studio, prepare that. Alright, so once you got Lens Studio running and your download is ready, then let's get creating the lens. Create your own lens. Let's do this. Alright, so once you have your Lens Studio set up, I'm using Lens Studio version 4.1, but whatever Lens Studio you're using is alright for now. 4 point something and above will be alright. But I will do more tutorials if this video gets 400 views and above. Like more tutorials to come on how to use Lens Studio, and a guide and basic guides on how to function with the utility and everything, like the IDE. So what you're gonna need to do is click new project. So once Lens Studio is loading your new project, you can wait a little bit there. Alright, so you're gonna have this prompt out on your screen. It's where you create your Snapchat lenses. Yeah, alright. So let's get started. You have this section here. You can see objects, resources, sync config or sync configuration. Yeah, objects. So you have also this part. It's like a mini part of your phone, So you can select people. You could take the screen out and it will be like a phone right there. You could put it back. You just change the way you want it to look like, So I'm gonna leave it like that, or you could have it like this, or anyways, yeah. But I'm just gonna take it back. Okay, this is alright. Alright, so what we're gonna need to do first is you need to click there. And remember, what we're doing in this tutorial is trying to create the famous Brown Skin Girl lens, one of my lenses, yeah? So you're gonna need to create, we'll start with the face, and we'll say face. I need this. Okay, now face, where's it? Face retouch right there. So face retouch. So what face retouch is gonna do is, right, let me just inspector. You need your inspector there. I am so sorry for putting the configurations really wrong. Okay, okay, I'll have my inspector just hanging around there. Alright, just gonna do this. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do is this. You have your inspector there. The face retouch makes the face look more soft, makes the face, reduces acne on the face, just takes out any, trying to make your pics look great, that stuff, yeah. So the intensity of soft skin, we could increase that, yeah. We could increase that, and the intensity of how white your teeth are looking. We could also increase, not too much, man. We don't want people looking fake, yeah. We don't want people looking fake. That's for sure. All right. we have the intensity increased for soft skin and teeth whitening. The next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to have a little of the magic now, and this is where I apply the color, the filter, and everything. And I shoot, like I said, if this video reaches 400 views and above, I am going to teach you people on how I created the filter. But description, the link is down description to where you people go play around with the lens and you people can see how the lens functions and more of my lenses and stuff. Yeah. All right. Let's get started. Filter. Yeah. We could just say color. Okay. So color correction. I am going to pick empty. You hear? Empty color correction. So where it says material right there, you click right there. Alright, wait. Texture. I have my texture already, and it's right on my desktop. So brown skin girl right there. Once I click brown skin girl, I import this. Like I said, if this video gets 400 views, I am gonna teach you how to create the filter and what I use to create the filter. Alright, import the filter. Okay, you see that it's applied. It's right there, it's applied. I don't know if you could see it, but there, it's there. Wow, that looks great already. It looks good already. The next thing we're gonna need to do is have some grains, like it has grains on it. So what I use for that, I use image, screen image. You can see there's an image there. So what I'm gonna do is go on texture. I have my image ready. Link in the description down below if you want to use my grains. I'm gonna add a link to where you people can go to get the grains, you know. So grains just makes the picture. I like vintage pictures sometimes, but grains just add that. It's just that feeling to the picture, you know. Alright, so we can't see anything, the picture's gone, but don't worry, I got you. We can say blend, right? My favorite type of blend is maybe soft light. You see soft light, you see it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just there. And that just makes everything look great, you know, Alright, so there you have it, brown skin girl. Wow. Alright, that was it for the video. If you liked the video and you want to see more, content, please subscribe. I make content like this. If you subscribe, I make content like this for you to enjoy. More Snapchat lenses coming soon, more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. I'm out. ErnyVibes right here, and it was out for your boy.
My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds.